Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by. This is Adele Velasco, owner of Renegade Academy and Renegade Extreme Fitness. So I created the course to monetize your certification, turning your passion into profit. Sounds good? Alright, to empower young and newly certified personal trainers to create their own opportunities and build their businesses, helping them as well to break free from the limitation of big box gym. I have given the opportunity to collaborate with my good friend, Mr. Trevor Pickett of Canadian Fitness Professional or CanFit Pro. Trevor is an award-winning pro trainer who teaches the personal training specialist course and is one of the most outstanding professionals in the industry. Today we are so excited to offer you a limited time offer to get started on your journey to making your own money. Alright, so use code at checkout upbeat_15. We want you to feel special and set up for your success. Okay, let's get started. Register today and you get a chance to avail the discount price. And remember guys, spots are limited. We're only taking 10 people every classes, so that it makes you feel more welcome and belong into elite mastermind group. All right, I'll see you there. Let's do this.